it's me, Princess Aleena Toys and Games. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot recently, but anyways, let's begin. This is going to be a fidget video, and I'm going to be reviewing some new fidgets that I've got. I already unboxed them, so it's not going to be like I'm unboxing them, but yeah. Okay, let's begin. I hope you enjoy my videos, but before we begin, I just want to let you know that, tomorrow we're going to be posting some fidget unboxing videos because I know some of my viewers here love watching those type of videos. Plus, we've got a whole collection. So make sure to tune in tomorrow if you want to see that. Okay, first fidget is going to be this breakable Simple Dimple. Let's try it out. It has very good pops on it. So it's a bit hard to pop this with one hand holding the camera. Forgot to bring my camera stand. I would rate this a 10 out of 10. I love the pops. Ow. There. Next fidget. Next, we have this lamb poppet. I love this poppet. I've seen it all over like YouTube and all over like TikTok, Instagram, and different toy shops like Mastermind. The pops are okay on this one. The only bad thing about this poppet is the face is on the bad side of the poppet. This is the good side. More fidgets here with us today. So the next one is this avocado poppet. It's not my favorite because the bubbles are smaller than regular poppets like this sheep, for instance. Can you see the difference? It may be hard to tell on camera, but I can. By the way, do you like my nails? Anyway, here we go. Now let's pop this one. This is the bad side, so it may be hard to hear. There, and on the good side. The pops are okay on this one, but I would probably rate it like 3 out of 10. And yes, I forgot to rate the sheep poppet, I think. So if I didn't already, I would rate it 6 out of 10. It's okay, but not my favorite. Okay, now one of my favorites is coming. A Simple Dimple. Simple Dimple Poppet Sweet. Okay, anyway, here we go. We have our Simple Dimple here with us, and it's a space Simple Dimple. Should be good for space lovers. And here, when you look closely, you can see the names of the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, the Moon, Saturn, Uranus, and much more. So let's pop it now. And the bad thing about this Simple Dimple is all the faces are on the bad side. Guys, don't you think the faces should be on the good side? See? But this is the good side because you can tell by the noise. It's so loud. Don't sometimes Simple Dimples hurt when you pop them, especially on the good side? I rate this 1 million out of 1 million. I absolutely love this. Guys, tell me in the comment section, or if that's off, then just think about which one of these fidgets I unboxed, reviewed, are your favorites? The breakable Simple Dimple, the Earth Simple Dimple, the avocado puppet, or the sheep puppet. I'm 100% sure that my cousin will choose this one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy.